Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session, we will understand the job role of direct sales executive. Okay, so this job is belong to export executive. Here, job to handle the export documentations, and the company industries belong to the food processing industries. They are produce oil and cake. Okay, so you can understand the experience required for the job is 11 to 20 years. Okay, 11 to 10, 20 year required. Okay, then salary package is 20 to 30 lakh per annual. So quite good, we can say quite good. This uh, salary package is quite good. Okay, then the location is the Gurugram, Haryana, cyber city. Okay, now we will discuss about the job descriptions. So export logistic. Okay, so you need to handle the export logistic. In the part of logistic, you need to manage the supply chain like a transportation. Okay, goods movement. Okay, we need to understand the goods movement by mode of transport, by mode of rail, by mode of sea, by mode of air. This is the called logistic. And the documentation executive. So for the processing of the custom clearance of the shipment, you need to oh, prepare the set of documents which call the export documentation. Okay, so this is pre-shipment document for the custom clearance purpose. The same way, you need to prepare the post-shipment documents, which is for the payment related payment collection from the overseas. Then LC handling. Okay, so you need to handle the LC, letter of credit. Okay, so how do you need to handle the LC? In case of export, you have to approve the LC. Okay, just like you are exporting the some oil to the Bangladesh. Okay, so if you are not surety that the Bangladesh buyer will pay in time or not, so for that you will instruct to the buyer that open a letter credit in favor of the my organization. Okay, so they will the buyer company will open the LC and send the draft for check and verify. So you must check out properly of the letter of credit that which term and conditions are favor in the organization, which port of loading and port of discharge to uh, is okay for the handling. And other than this, also need to check out the documentations requirement, all the important things need to understand. Okay, latest date of shipment also need to understand. After that, shipping bill. So for the exporting before exporting, we need to file the checklist in the custom. Okay, after approving the checklist, we receive the shipping bill. After the export operation, including excise operation. Okay, so excise documentation also need to be prepared in the manufacturing process. We have to submit the set of document to the excise, which is the your district uh, range office, central excise office. Okay, then predominantly for the agriculture product like a soybean d oil, cake, grain, oil seed, rice, pulse, wheat, edible oil, and other. So these are the product which you have to export from India to other countries. So you must have a good knowledge of the food processing industries or food type of product which can be exported. So what kind of requirement may be from different country. So you must check out the things. Okay. Now distillery role is direct sale executive, industries, beverage and brewery distillery. Department sales and business development, employment full time and permanent. Job category retail and P2C sales. Okay, and the education is any graduate. Okay, MBA and post-graduate in international visa we prefer for this job. Okay. Now key skill are highlighted which prefer skill. Okay, so guys, in this session we are trying to understand the job role. Okay, the job role which is belong to the food processing company. Okay, so the experience required 11 to 20 years. That is quite big experience. Then other thing is the salary package is 20 to 30 lakh. That is a good package. So guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.